Ang suswet ng mga alaga namin. Ang so sweat.
Pag
Tignan,
ganito
babasahin
ba
ko yung
siya?
akin. Tignan nyo guys. Dear Auntie, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for cooking for me. I love you. You are the best auntie in the world. All the best, Jonelyn. Oh my God! Ang sweet! Appreciated! Bakit walang nakalagay dito from Casper?